Hello guys, how you doing? In this video, we're gonna check 5 new secret niches for you to make awesome sales in the next days. Go!
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, my friends, I caught this niche with only 211 results, and it's very good and promising, and it is Abraham Lincoln played an electric guitar or a guitar, but I think it's better electric guitar. It's more cool. This niche is very good because now it's coming 4th of July and the 250 years of America. So I think it will sell awesomely. If you check the BSR right now, look at this: 115, 134 Sutton, 160, a lot of wood BSR. The designs are all kind of similar. This is more like an OG Lincoln playing the Fender Stratocaster. Okay, not a lot of competition and a good BSR. Okay, go. Secret niche.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I got this gold niche. I think gold is related because there is a big tournament now, or very soon. But this is a sub niche of that, and it's safe, I think. And it's the price getting looser. We're going to look for your ball. It's a joke when they lose the ball, and the SR is very good. Look at this, was uploaded April 2, 257. There are all kind of new, and the SRs are awesome. Okay, this is the best-selling design, like a retro style. A lot of sellers, as you can see, and very low competition. Try to differentiate yourself, and you will have success. Use your weapons. Secret niche.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I have this very low competition niche of 99 results. Also Abraham Lincoln related design that we said a lot on 4th of July, as I told before. And it's this praise 4 shots and 7 beers ago. It mixes 4th of July, patriotism, and drinking. Okay, that's a good mix in the 4th of July. Okay, BSR is not incredibly awesome, but competition is so low that I think these are an opportunity here. For example, this was uploaded 35, okay, and BSR is good. This was uploaded March 29, like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, already a good BSR. Okay, you can make Abraham Lincoln drinking like a bartender with the American flag. I don't know. Use your weapons. For example, like this. Secret niche.
Secret niche number 4.
For the 4th niche, I have this almost 400 results niche. It's a very meme related niche of sharks. If you didn't merge for a while, you know that sharks, it's a very good niche. And it's this funny meme of a shark and a finger like touching the nose, like boop. Okay, BSR is very good. 500, which these were all uploaded this year, and they are selling. Okay, they are all like kind of similar. If you can find a nice way to differentiate yourself, like this for example, I think you can start selling this niche. Also, if you want, you can use other animals. For example, I think it works good with very aggressive animals. For example, a lion, I don't know, a dinosaur. Okay, you know what I mean. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 5.
For the 5th niche, the last niche of this week, I have this niche with 1,200 of competition. That is just about a bit more than what I like, but BSR is so good. Look at this, 87 300, 300, 300. A lot of sellers that I wanted to share it to you. Up to actively monitor. On all designs, you the bus or the geese. Okay? I think this niche is for teachers. You can use it also with a prop. I don't know, a raccoon. And I think it's for school and for teachers. Okay? Look at the BSR. A lot of sellers, but all are very similar. This one is different. I like it. This one also is different with the 3 panels. A very modern design. Okay? Hope you like these new niches of this week. If you have any comments, please leave it on the comments below. And soon I'm gonna release a few new videos. Very interesting stuff that I'm working on. Okay? So see you in the next one. Bye.